afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more and Emerson's Adventures. They do not have a guest host this week, so come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. And I decided to do the tablescape here at my breakfast bar. So I'll let you go ahead and take a look at it, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. My centerpiece, I have the large candle holders with the boxwoods, the little bird, and the white candle holder. The little birds were from the Dollar Tree. The white candle holders here were from Goodwill. The boxwood were from Joann Fabric, and the large candle holders were from Home Goods. The beautiful black bowl here was from Goodwill, and I've added the flower balls in it and the white beads. The beads were from Walmart, and the flower balls, I think, were from Goodwill. Now I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about my place setting here. The silverware was from Tuesday morning. The glasses were from Ross's. The napkins were from Home Goods, and the little pumpkins here, I went ahead and added them in. Although I hate to see some go away, but we're coming up on the fall really soon. So the little pumpkins here were from the Dollar Tree. Now I'll tell you about the place setting. The charger plate was from Hobby Lobby. The beautiful placemat here was from Goodwill. The dinner plate was from Goodwill, And this was a complete set, and I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was very little. The salad plate was also from Goodwill, and the little bowl from Goodwill. And as you can see, it has a little lighthouse, a couple look like little maybe boats in it, but they are beautiful, and they were from Goodwill. So as you can see, again, a very, very budget-friendly tablescape. I want to thank, let me tell you about the little tea set here. The little tea set here was from Goodwill. And also this little tier tray was from Amazon, and the flowers was from Kohl's. Okay. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emerson's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving their information and all of the creators who are participating in Tablescape Tuesday in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Tablescape Tuesday, because as you know, without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.